Good morning, class 7 student. This is your math workbook. And now we are continue chapter. We start chapter 12. In previous video we have done till chapter 11. Now we will start chapter 12, algebraic expression. So to solve worksheet, first we discuss some important fact related to this chapter. So what is important fact of this chapter? So first is algebraic expression. So algebraic expression, it is a combination of variables and constant connected by the sign of four fundamental operation: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So algebraic expression क्या है? It is combination of variable and constant. So variables are A, B, C, D, A to Z alphabet, and constant is numeric value, numbers, connected by the sign of four fundamental. They are connected with four sign: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Thus we use the operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on the variable and constant टू फॉर्म एक्सप्रेशंस. यानी कोई भी वेरिएबल्स और कांस्टेंट को मिलाकर इन फोर ऑपरेशंस की यूज से जो एक्सप्रेशंस बनाते हैं वो कहते हैं अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशंस. नाउ द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एक्सप्रेशंस आर मेड अप ऑफ टर्म्स आर एडेड टू मेक एन एक्सप्रेशंस. सो फर्स्ट मेड अप टर्म्स एंड टर्म्स आर एडेड टू मेक एक्सप्रेशन. जो 2 टर्म्स, 3 टर्म्स, 4 टर्म्स, इनको मिला के एक्सप्रेशन बनते हैं. नाउ द फैक्टर ऑफ टर्म. ए टर्म्स इज अ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ फैक्टर. टर्म्स को होते हैं प्रोडक्ट ऑफ फैक्टर. जो भी फैक्टर्स के प्रोडक्ट होते हैं लिटरल एंड कांस्टेंट, यानी वेरिएबल और कांस्टेंट. फैक्टर्स कंटेनिंग वेरिएबल आर सेड टू बी अलजेब्रिक factors. Now tree diagram, an expression along with its term and their factors is represented conveniently and elegantly by a tree diagram. Suppose here is any expressions and there be divide into 2 terms, then we divide into factors. So these are the tree diagram. The coefficient, it is the numerical factors in a term of an expression. Sometimes any one factors in a term is called the coefficient of the remaining part of the terms. It is numerical factor in a term, and any algebraic expressions have only numeric value is called coefficient, is called constant. And with the variable, suppose 2x square plus 5x plus 7. So 2 is the coefficient of x square, 5 is the coefficient of x, and 7 is a constant because they have no any variable. So it is coefficient. Types of expressions depending upon the number of term occur in expressions. There are the following important types of expressions. So there are different type of expressions. First, monomial, binomial, trinomial. It is a one term expressions about only 2x 5x square 7 by 3z. These are the monomial, only one term. Now second is binomial. It is a two term expression. 2x square plus 5x. It have two terms. Now third is trinomial. It is a three term expressions. So 2x square plus 5x plus 6. So 1, 2, 3 terms. Now like and unlike terms. So terms which have the same algebraic factors are like terms. Terms which have different algebraic factors are unlike terms. They are same algebraic factors have like term and different algebraic factors have unlike term. Addition or subtraction of like term. The sum or difference of two like terms is another like terms whose coefficient is the sum or difference of these two like terms. So we add or subtract only like terms. Suppose in two different algebraic expressions 2x square plus 5x and 7x square plus 6x. So these are the like terms. So we add 2x plus 7x square 5 plus 6. So answer is addition of both expressions. 7 plus 2 9x square plus 6 plus 5 11x. So we add only like terms. Addition of expressions. In addition of two or more algebraic expressions, we regroup and collect the like term first and then add them. Leave the unlike terms as they are. Suppose 2x square plus 5x plus 7 and plus 3x की power q plus 5x square plus 2x. Now first collect the like terms. So 2x square is like term, 5x and 2x like term. So first we write like term 2 plus 5 7x square, 5 plus 2 7x plus these are the left terms. So we write as it. So 3x cube plus 7x square plus 7x plus 7. These are the algebraic expressions. So we add only like term. Now next is subtraction of expressions. In subtraction of expressions, we change the sign from plus to minus of and from minus to plus of each term of the expressions to be subtract and then add the two expressions. Suppose 2x square plus 5x and subtract from 7x square plus 9x. So these subtract from there. So first we write this 7x square plus 9x. Now subtract, we write this term in bracket 2x square plus 5x. Now we open the bracket, we change their sign 7x square plus 9x minus 2x square minus 5x, because both have positive sign plus sign, so we write negative. If here have negative sign, then we write positive. So 7x square minus 2x square 5x square 9x minus 5x, so plus 4x. These are the answer. Next is value of an expression. It depends on the value of the variables from which the expressions is formed. It is obtained by replacing by variables in the expressions by the given value of the variables. So it depends the value of variables. Suppose 5x square and 7x square. So the both are like terms x square, and the value of x square is in expression 1 5 and second 7. So we change add by add and subtraction, the value of change. Next is Rules and formulas in a mathematics are written in a concise and general form using algebraic expressions. So we written in this form. General nth terms of a number pattern. It is a expressions is n which give the nth term of the number pattern. N term is n is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, any number we can put in this value. So student, these are the some important facts we discuss in this video. From next video we will start to solve worksheet. Thank you.